If you need a simple app for notes, reminders, and quick organization, Google Keep is one of the easiest options available. It's free, works on almost every device, and syncs instantly with your Google account. But is it still worth using in 2026? And how does it compare to more advanced note taking apps? In this video, I'll cover Google Keep's features, pros and cons, and who it is best for. What is Google Keep? Google Keep is a lightweight note-taking app made by Google. It focuses on speed and simplicity rather than advanced productivity tools. You can create text notes, checklists, voice notes, images and drawings, reminders, and everything syncs across Android, iPhone, tablets, and desktop browsers. Main features: quick and simple note taking. The biggest strength of Google Keep is how fast it is. You open the app, type a note, and save it instantly. There is almost no learning curve, which makes it perfect for quick ideas, grocery lists, or reminders. The interface is very clean and beginner friendly. Checklists and to do lists. Google Keep is excellent for simple task management. You can create checklists, check off completed items, and record your tasks easily. It is not a full project management tool, but for personal organization, it works very well. Voice notes. One useful feature is voice recording. You can record a voice memo, and Google Keep automatically converts it into text in many cases. That is great for capturing ideas quickly while walking or driving. Reminders and notifications. You can set time-based reminders, location-based reminders. For example, you can make a shopping list appear when you arrive at a supermarket. This feature integrates nicely with Android devices and Google services. Labels and color organization. Google Keep lets you organize notes using labels, colors, pinning important notes. This makes it easier to separate work notes, personal reminders, study notes, and shopping lists. Collaboration. You can share notes with other people in real time. This is useful for shared grocery lists, team reminders, family planning, quick collaboration. Changes update instantly for everyone. Cross-platform sync. Since it is connected to your Google account, your notes sync automatically across devices. You can start a note on your phone and continue editing it on your laptop seconds later. Pros of Google Keep. Easy to use. Google Keep is one of the simplest note apps available. Almost anyone can use it immediately without tutorials. Completely free. Most important features are free with a Google account. Fast performance. The app loads quickly and works smoothly even on older devices. Great Google integration. It works well with Google Docs, Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Assistant. Excellent for quick notes. If you mainly need short notes and reminders, Google Keep does the job extremely well. Cons of Google Keep. Limited formatting options. Compared to options or apps like Notion or Evernote, formatting is very basic. You won't get advanced layouts, databases, or professional document editing. Not ideal for large projects. Google Keep works best for simple notes. If you manage complex research, large documents, or detailed workflows, it can feel limited. Basic folder organization. Organization mainly relies on labels rather than full folder systems, which may not work for everyone. Web version feels minimal. The desktop browser works fine, but it lacks some advanced features found in competing apps. Who should use Google Keep? Google Keep is best for students, casual users, quick reminders, grocery lists, simple daily organization, people already using Google services. It's especially good if you want something lightweight instead of a complicated productivity system. Who should avoid it? You may want another app if you need advanced document editing, team project management, complex databases, detailed note organization, professional productivity workflows. Apps like Notion, Obsidian, or Evernote may fit better for advanced users. Conclusion and final verdict. Google Keep succeeds because it stays simple. It's fast, free, reliable, and perfect for capturing quick ideas without distractions. While it doesn't offer advanced productivity tools, it remains one of the best lightweight note-taking apps available. If you want an easy app for notes, reminders, and checklists, Google Keep is definitely worth trying. And that's everything you need to know about Google Keep. If you find this video helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.